Hey everyone, this is John Link at Apache Village RV Center. I am standing in front of a 2022 Palomino Hardside Max HS2912. This is an awesome truck camper. Check this out. It has a back patio that pops down with two different awnings that come out. We also have this whole setup where we're able to put this in the back of a big long bed dually, have plenty of space to go boondock. This has a Victron lithium system on it that works great with lithium batteries. It's able to be completely off-grid and charge off the solar panels on the roof. There's a backup camera. Obviously has electric jacks to assist you in getting this into the back of your truck. Very spacious interior with anything you'd ever need to successfully go out, run around the country, and explore and boondock. Big queen bed up front. You have your fantastic fan, your TV, refrigerator, wet bath right here, with a medicine cabinet and everything. But most importantly, this back porch is really cool. Check this out. So you have an entire entertainment center back here with speakers, a sound system, and then your lithium batteries would go right here with the Victron Multi Plus system and smart solar charging. So when you have your batteries installed, you can rest knowing that energy from the sun is going to keep this camper up and running. And then you can utilize this Multi Plus system right here to check the status of your solar system. So if you're looking to get out and take boondocking very seriously, this is quite the setup. Take it out hunting, take it out west. My customers actually used it to go out into the desert and spend weeks out there on end and be away from human contact, which is the whole point of camping, right? Get away, unplug. But come check out this 2022 Palomino. This is going to come with a 1-year warranty from Apache Village to cover you on all the appliances. We would love to earn your business. Thanks for watching.